Um, Again, student, this is sixth lecture regarding consumer equilibrium. Consumer equilibrium is the stage or the condition where a consumer purchase the goods. So, at what level the consumer will purchase the good, it depends upon the marginal utility and the price of the commodity. In a practical life also, we go to the market and we purchase any commodity. Suppose you want to purchase any commodity, you get the utility from that commodity because that commodity has a tendency to satisfy your human wants, and you pay the money for that, you sacrifice the money for that. So, from one commodity you are getting the utility, that is satisfaction, and you are sacrificing the money for that price in the form of price, that you are sacrificing the price. So, the consumer equilibrium is a stage where the price are determined or the customer or the consumer purchase the goods. We understand it by two ways. Suppose in the economy there is one good only, single good. So, consumer goods are single, suppose the consumer equilibrium in the case of one good. So, in the case of one good, the marginal utility coming out from that commodity and the price you are paying for that, wherever both are equal, that is the situation of a stage of consumer equilibrium. Again, we go for the market to purchase potato. Potato's price is 10 rupees per kg, and we have a utility from the potato. We are getting utility from the potato, it is of our use. We sacrifice human wants. Now, we sacrifice our money. For the 5 kg, we pay 50 rupees because from the 5 kg of potato is sufficient for us. Suppose the price increases, it becomes 15 rupees. Now, we have to sacrifice more money for that. For the 5 kg, we have to sacrifice 75 rupees, and the utility from the commodity is same, suppose. So, we will decrease the commodities. We will purchase only 3 or 3.5 kg of potato or the 2 kg of potato, because what we are sacrificing, that also is counted, and the utility coming from the commodity is in the numeric form. So, wherever the marginal utility of the commodity and the marginal utility of money which we are sacrificing, yeah, or we can say the price, wherever the price of the commodity is equal to the marginal utility of the commodity and the sacrifice we are going for purchasing that commodity is equal, that will be the consumer equilibrium of a single good in the economy. In the two goods, always there is no single goods in the economy. We sometimes go for the double goods. Suppose there is a X good and Y good, then one topic comes opportunity cost. We have discussed the opportunity cost has a increasing tendency with the further consumption, the opportunity cost increases, and there is a monotonic preference. Monotonic preference means a consumer does not like to purchase any commodity in the maximum form and in the second commodity in the lowest form, or he wants to have a monotonic preference. It means a consumer always prefers both the goods A and B. He don't want to consume A goods only or a B goods only. Suppose shirt and pant. A consumer can purchase with of 1000 rupees 5 jeans, 5 shirt, but he will not prefer the 5 jeans or a 5 shirt. He wants to purchase some quantity of shirt and some quantity of pant because he has a monotonic preference. Monotonic preference means a consumer wants that a alternate bundle or a set which gives maximum satisfaction from both the good, A good and B good. He wants the maximum satisfaction from both the goods, therefore he applies the monotonic preference. So, monotonic preference is the next character of a consumer or next terminology which is important to decide the two goods equilibrium. And next our topic is indifference curve. Indifference curve, again this curve and schedule has a different meaning. Curve is a graphical representation, whereas schedule is a tabulic representation, in a tabulic form, in a numeric form. Indifference curve is a graphical representation of all the alternates, bundles, sets of A or B goods which a consumer will prefer due to monotonic preference. Monotonic preference, he needs maximum satisfaction from A good and B good. Therefore, he will like to keep 3 jeans, 2 shirts, or 3 shirts, 2 jeans, or 2 jeans, 2 shirts, like this combination. He will not prefer 0 jeans, 5 shirts, or 5 jeans, 0 shirt. This type of option or bundle or set of A or B good he will not prefer. He will prefer the A good and B good both with a maximum satisfaction. It depends upon the consumer. A consumer of a different taste will prefer a different preferences. Consumer can prefer 4 t-shirts or 1 jeans. Some can prefer 4 jeans, 1 shirt, but no one will like to prefer 0 t-shirt or shirt or 5 pants or maximum top, lowest jeans. So monotonic preference, consumer equilibrium. Consumer equilibrium is a level where the price and the marginal utility coming from the goods are equal. In the two cases, a consumer applies monotonic preference, and there is an indifference curve. Indifference curve is a graphical representation of all the alternates, bundles, sets available in the economy. And the consumer equilibrium in the case of two goods rest where the indifference curve is tangent to the budget line. Now this budget line is your income line, your purchasing capacity. Suppose you have 1000 rupees, so 1000 rupees is your capacity to purchase the goods. So this is your income line or budget line. With this 1000 rupees, you can purchase lot of bundles, any one bundle from this lot of bundles. You have many choice of different sets. A एंड बी गुड्स के बहुत सारे अल्टरनेट्स अवेलेबल हैं कि आप ए गुड्स की इतनी अमाउंट, बी गुड्स की इतनी अमाउंट के हिसाब से आप बहुत सारे अवेलेबल आपके पास अवेल हैं. ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच, जैसे 5 शर्ट 1 पैंट, 4 शर्ट 2 पैंट, 3 शर्ट 3 पैंट, या फिर 0 शर्ट मैक्सिमम पैंट और मैक्सिमम शर्ट 0 पैंट. पर इसमें से आप उन्हीं को चुनेंगे जिसमें से आपको दोनों से मैक्सिमम सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता हो या मैक्सिमम यूटिलिटी फ्रॉम द बोथ गुड्स आर कमिंग. सो द बजट लाइन वेयर इट इज टेंजेंट टू द इंडिफरेंस कर्व. इंडिफरेंस कर्व को जहां वो टच करती है, इंटरसेक्ट नहीं, जहां टच करती है वहीं पर आपका कंज्यूमर इक्विलिब्रियम रेस्ट होगा, वहीं पर आप कमोडिटी खरीदेंगे. दो अगर बजट लाइन आपकी टेंजेंट ना होकर के इंटरसेक्ट करती है अगर इंडिफरेंस कर्व को, तो 2 पॉइंट्स पर इंटरसेक्ट करेगी, तो आप 1000 रुपये से 2 अल्टरनेट्स नहीं खरीद सकते हैं कि एक अल्टरनेट है 3 शर्ट और 2 पैंट का और एक अल्टरनेट है 3 पैंट और 2 शर्ट का. तो दोनों सेट्स मतलब कंबाइन नहीं हो सकते कि आप 6 शर्ट और 5 पैंट हो जाएं, ऐसा नहीं हो. द टेंजेंट शुड बी देयर, वो टच करनी चाहिए. जहाँ बजट लाइन आपकी इंडिफरेंस कर्व को जोग्राफिकली टच करेगी वहाँ पर 2 कमोडिटीज़ का इंडिफरेंस कर्व आएगा. इन अ ग्राफ, इन अ नोट्स इट इज़ गिवन.